Dear students, yesterday I had told you about successor and predecessor of whole number. Again I repeat you, on adding 1 to a whole number, we get next whole number, which is successor of a number, and on subtracting 1 from a given whole number, we get a next whole number, which is predecessor. So to find successor, we add 1 to a given number, and to find successor, we subtract 1 from a given number. Now I am going to teach you about some questions. Question number, as for write the successor of the largest write the successor of the largest number of 5 digits. Question number 9, 10. Question number 10. Exercise. Write the successor of the largest number of 5 digits. You have to write the successor of the largest number of 5 digits. हमें 5 अंकों की बड़ी संख्या सबसे बड़ी संख्या का सक्सेसर ज्ञात करना है. तो वी नो लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ 5 digits, largest number of 5 digits. We know largest number of 5 digits is equal to 59. Now we have to find the successor, so we add 1. Now successor of 99999 is equal to 59 plus 1 बराबर largest number of 5 digits is equal to 99999. To get the successor of 99999 is equal to 9999 plus 1 बराबर 1 lakh. 1 lakh. So to find the successor, we add 1 to a given number. Now we have to ask question number 11 is what is total number of 5 digits number? What is total number of total number of 5 digit numbers? Question is, what is total number of 5 digit numbers? The question says that 5 अंकों की कुल कितनी संख्याएं हैं. We have to find that what is total number of 5 digit numbers. 5 अंकों की कितनी संख्याएं हैं. टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, 5 अंकों की बड़ी संख्या, द लार्जेस्ट नंबर of 5 digits. We know that the largest number of 5 digits is equal to 59, and the smallest number of 5 digits is equal to, so the total number of 5 digit numbers, total number of 5 digits number is equal to 99 minus 10,000 plus 1 is equal to 9999 plus 1 बराबर 1000. We get 90,000. Total number of 5 digits number is equal to 90,000 5 digits number. हमें पूछा गया है कि 5 अंकों की कुल कितनी संख्याएं हैं। तो 5 अंकों की कुल कितनी संख्याएं हैं, इसका हल करने के लिए हम सबसे पहले 5 अंकों की बड़ी सी बड़ी संख्या लिख देंगे। तो 5 अंकों की बड़ी सी बड़ी संख्या बराबर 5 to 9 लिखेंगे, और 5 अंकों की छोटी सी छोटी संख्या इज इक्वल टू 1/40. Now we have to find the total number of 5 digits number is equal to 5 अंकों की बड़ी संख्या में से 5 अंकों की छोटी संख्या घटा देंगे और उसमें 1 जोड़ देंगे। तो इस तरह से हमें 5 अंकों की कुल कितनी संख्या है ये प्राप्त हो जाएगा। तो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन आई ओरली टीच यू 12 नंबर क्वेश्चन। हाउ मेनी जीरोज आर देयर इन 1 लाख? How many are there in 1 lakh? Question number 12. How many zeros are there in 1 lakh? 1 lakh is equal to for 1 lakh we can write 1 and 5 0 1 lakh, and we count number of 0 is 1 2 3 4 5. So there are 5 zeros. There are 5 zeros. 5 zeros in one. Question is very easy. Question number 21. I understand. Question number 21 is insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. 21 and 21 number question. Insert 20 number 1. Insert commas. Insert commas suitably and write the name according to Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. Five zero 1592. This is your question. We have to insert commas in this number according to Indian system of numeration. At first we insert commas. We have 50801592 to write in Indian system of numeration. भारतीय संख्या पद्धति के आधार पर उचित कॉमा लिखें और उसका संख्या का नाम लिखें. तो यहाँ पर इन इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन we insert commas from right to left. 295 51 08 505. One. 5 crore 8 lakh 1,000 592. In Indian system of numeration, we can write it 5 crore 8 lakh 1,592. And if you have to ask international system of numeration, question number 22. The question is 527864. 527864. You write this question in international system of numeration. 527864. 527,000 864. Question number 22. If you have to ask the given question 527,864, 527,864. Now, so in this way, I hope that you can solve all the questions of this exercise. 23 नंबर में पूछा है to place commas correctly and write the numerals. You have to write commas in 23 number questions. You have to write commas and name the numerals. So I hope that you can solve all the questions of the exercise. And next day, tomorrow, I will start exercise 1.2. Thank you.